Hi. So now we'll see BDC session method. So in last we are done with the BDC transition call transition method. So we'll change this to the session method. So copy the same program and give the name as session. Copy. Local file. Go to change mode. Now before the call transition in the standard program, we have seen by default system was giving us two options. One is the call transition and second one was the session method. Let me open our very first program. With this program we were able to generate both the methods. So in the last one we have simplified for the call transition. Now we'll go for the generate session method. So for the generate session method we required the open group, because for session it create a group in the SM35. Then we required a BDC insert in the BDC call transition. If you see here, if the session method is there, for every record system insert the data into the BDC data, and then it use the close group. The same concept we have to add in our program. So our code is ready with the help of last program which we have done. So here what we have to do, before the loop, here before the loop we have to call a function model called as open group, BDC open group. So before this loop, click on pattern, select BDC open group. Very first open the exceptions. Here in the exporting, open the client. In the group name we have to give the name with which in SM35 the data will get created. So we'll give as ZVK11, let's say 1907. So I'm going to create this session in the SM35. Pass the keep as X. We have already seen what is meaning of keep. Program name as Psi program. And the user we can pass the Psi uname, that is the user who is logging currently. No need for any importing. Okay, so this is the BDC open group which we have to call before our loop. Okay, now for every loop, instead of this call transition method, no need of messages here, because in the session method system automatically generate the messages. In the SM35 we can see that message. We'll also remove this. No need of this here. So here before the loop end we have to add a function model called BDC insert. In BDC insert we have to pass the T code which we want to call. In our case it is VK11. Open all the exceptions. Here pass the BDC data, because for every record we have data in the BDC table. Okay, after this no need of demo output. Here we have to call a function model called close group. Click on pattern, BDC close group. Only way to open the exceptions. Now if it is successfully done, we'll just give a message BDC session created type S, and if it is unsuccessful, give the message as error while creating BDC session of type, let's say, error. Okay, so what changes we have done comparing to the call transaction method? Before the loop, we have called the function module BDC open group, and I am creating a session with this number, with this name. If you want, we can pass this dynamically also through the program. I am making it a hard code. Then for every record in the loop, before finishing of loop, we have to call the function module known as BDC insert, where we have to pass the T code and we have to give the BDC data. Then at the last, we have to call the BDC group. Now here, no need of mode on the selection screen, so I'm removing this from the selection screen. Save. Check and activate. So no errors, it is activated successfully. So again, I'm going to use the same file. Execute. Select the file, that is source file. Execute. Now the BDC session created. So where we can see this BDC session? In the SM35. Go to SM35. We can see the session is created. To process, select this, click on process. Here also I am going to use the background mode. Execute. One session transfer to the background processing. Now how to monitor the background job? Copy the session name. Open the T code SM37. Enter the session name in the job name and execute. So you can see the job name is finish. The system has done the processing of that record. This we can see in SM37. Now again go back to our T code. Just refresh. Go back. Come again. So we can see it is done the processing. This is in the error stage. So there are total 10 records, 1 with the error and 9 successfully done. Click on analyze, log credit on. So here we can see all the records. This one was having the error but will not define for the given sales of, remaining all successful. Okay, so in this way we can do the coding for BDC session method. So we have done with this both call transaction as well as session method of the BDC. Thank you.